Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your avatar on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on this profile button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then you should tap on the profile picture icon at the top of the screen in the middle. Tap on change avatar in the right side. So here you can see what's in use, and you can see that the others are logged. So you can select them from, for example, past season 3. But you can check out how they look like, so you can see how it looks like next to it in this right side column. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.